Finally, on the new video. Hi guys, it's Chynna here, and today I'm gonna have a what's in my fridge vid. I saw the girl from Nerdy Nummy do one, so I thought it'd be cool for me to try one. Since I do like to make baking videos, sometimes I'll have some more in the future, like the banana muffin when I'm starting to get the supplies, the Happy Kitchen video. I like to do cooking videos, stuff like that, AG videos. I love doing those, but I haven't had a haul in a while. But anyway, yeah, let's just get started with the video. And I want to say sorry I haven't had an AG haul. You know, I'm a young girl and I don't like get allowance or anything. So when I get AG stuff, I get it like for Christmas, birthdays, and like that last Christmas I was serious about it. But you know, I wasn't like really like, oh, this is what I want, this is what I want last year. But now I really know that it's a serious thing, and if you want something, you really gotta ask for it before, because it's really expensive. So sorry about that, but they will be uploaded soon once I get some AG stuff for my birthday. And yeah, let's just get started. Well, first start with the fridge, and sorry all that noise. My dog just got a bath, and he's getting blow dried right now, so it's like really loud. So like, yeah, sorry if you hear that. So right here we have a Family's Life Greatest Blessing. Family's Life Greatest Blessing. Little magnet. This little northeast like map thing. A picture of a heart. This is a Vineyard Church magnet. Emergency contact paper, pictures of family members. This magnet says be still and know that I am God, and yeah, it says 46. I'm sorry it's not focusing right now. This little XO little like, you know, sticky-ish thing. Humpty Dumpty poster, a flip-flop picture. Cute magnets, Happy Mother's Day picture, and that's everything on my fridge. Plus on the bottom part, that's nothing. Let's start with the inside of the fridge. We have a Samsung fridge, and I'm not sure where you can get them. It actually came with the house, so yeah. Yay! This is what the inside of the fridge looks like right now. We're probably gonna have to go grocery shopping probably in like a week or two. We're pretty stocked up right now because we didn't go grocery shopping that long ago, but yeah, you know, just a few more things. This is the first drawer, and here we have a whole bunch of water bottles because we love water bottles. We have a chocolate pudding cup, some carrots, but these are so delicious, and they're also really healthy for you. They're dipping sticks, carrots, and ranch dip, and they're gluten free. Focus. It's trying to focus, but it never does. We have some Caesar dressing, and that's everything in that drawer. This is the next drawer. Inside of here, there's a whole bunch of food. So we have some bacon, turkey bacon, more turkey bacon. Again, turkey bacon's really good for you. A whole bunch of Go-Gurts. They're so delicious. We have a lot of Go-Gurts. Look at all those Go-Gurts. Yummy. A lot of yogurts. Like, let's see what type. We got like a whole bunch of these Chobani, I think you pronounce it, yogurts. Some more water bottles, some ham, and that's pretty much all in there. And those are those two drawers. Now let's go up another level. On the second level, we have mozzarella cheese. Let's see, another Go-Gurt, a water bottle, mustard, regular bacon. These are two delicious snacks. Whoa. The first delicious snack, which we actually ate a lot of, not today, but yeah. We have 3 that are these little wraps, and they're really good little wraps. They have turkey and cheese and lettuce and red pepper inside. And we got this big tray with super sweet melon inside. And it comes with so many fruits like pineapple, apple, watermelon, you know, like everything you could possibly want as a fruit. And we have this enormous, like, I think that's something of eggs. It's 90 freaking eggs. How are we gonna eat 90 freaking eggs? We got these at Sam's. Most stuff you see inside of here were Sam's, like, I think all the stuff you see. Well, I know that the Caesar dressing and this was at Tops. But, like, the fruit and the mozzarella cheese and the bacon and that and all of the Go-Gurts and I think all the yogurts were from Sam's and stuff like that. So yeah, let's go to the next level. By the way, sorry if I miss a few things. There's a lot of stuff to like see in these shelves. Okay, on the next shelf there's a lot of stuff. So we got skim milk. Our grandma's got this for us. We not like fat-free or like skim milk is so nasty. That what my mom says. I never had it. Well, yes, I did have it. It's not that good. It's alright, but yeah. My grandpa, he doesn't mean to get the bad type. It's nice that he got it, but he never looks. He always just grabs it. So and then he gets the wrong thing. Next thing we got is Tropicana orange juice. That was really stupid. I feel so stupid right now. Orange juice is so delicious. Have it every day, every day. By the way, you'll see a lot of orange juice tomorrow in my morning routine video. Yeah. Over here we have some Kobe Jack cheese cubes. Cheese cubes are so delicious. These are what they look like. Yummy. Where'd my cheese cube go? In my tummy. That was a weird angle, by the way. That was like upside down and then. So we have some Mexican. Why did I just raw Mexican cheese? Some Welch's jam. Yeah, grape jam. There's some ginger on the top. Just fell off. Ugh. Get in on top. Get in on top. So yeah, ginger ale. Then we got pink lemonade. Ew, I hate pink lemonade. But my brother loves it. Ugh. We got, and I'm not only doing the fridge, I'm doing our cabinets too because we got more food. Lemon juice, Lunchable. This is the Lunchable I'm bringing on my field trip to the baseball game at school. So yummy. There's a sub and chips and some kisses and just yummy. And this is the Lunchables uploaded. Got some more milk, more Mexican cheese. Great with tacos, by the way. So yeah. Oh, I think that's everything up here. Oh, there's mayonnaise too. Ugh, mayonnaise is good on sandwiches and all, but mayonnaise itself is ugh. When you just take a gob of mayonnaise. Ugh. Okay, anyway, in the little door, it's gonna hit. It's gonna. Ah! It hit. Okay, just kidding. But right here we got some cheese, butter, biscuits, yogurts. These are blueberry yogurts, more butter, and that's that. Oh, that was the fridge. Now let's go to the freezer. Wow, freezer is delicious. Okay, up there we got some banquets, dinners. Get those. They had a 10 for 10 top, so we got like a lot. I don't know what banquet are. Daisy, all that looks good. This is the one I want. Chicken nuggets, corn, and macaroni. Got some ice cube trays. Ice cube. Ice cube. Got some sausages. Some bread. It stays fresher when you put it in there. Got some pizza rolls. We got. So I'm not going to show you all our food because a lot of our food is in the deep freezer downstairs. This is just some of it. Got some waffles. I said the pizza rolls. We got some french fries. Yeah, a whole bunch of food in there that I can't even see. Oh, we got some more waffles. Yeah. There's a whole bunch of food. And then down here's the last row where we got more banquets, more bacon, more. Well, I didn't have any more hot dogs. There's hot dogs right there. And then delicious dino is chicken. Yeah, chicken. That just totally ruined my vibe. But now I see China nuggets. And that was the freezer. Now I'm not going to show you the deep freezer like I said. The deep freezer is all the way downstairs. And what do I look like? Do I look like a person that goes downstairs? I don't think so. So I'm just going to show you the kitchen. If you don't like that, then this is what I'm going to say to you. Beep! Just kidding. I am just too lazy and tired to go downstairs. If you see when this video uploads 9:58, do you think I want to go downstairs? Do you think I want to go downstairs? I don't think so. Now let's move to cabinets. Wait, we forgot to talk about the fridge. We got a whole bunch of chips. More chips, more chips, more chips, more chips. And some cereal. Yummy. Oh, and cookies there, but I don't think there's any cookies. No, there's no cookies in a cookie jar. But Frosted Flakes, Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and more Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Cinnamon Toast Crunch rolls. This is the counter. We got some Flap Jacks, Apple Jacks, same thing. And then this is the microwave. We got some bread. Open up the cabinet. We got some Solanda tea. Some nacho cheese that we can't even get open because we don't got the correct can opener. Some more tea. Solanda is the best. Pop-Tarts. I'm not a big fan of Pop-Tarts. I like Pop-Tarts in our, but they're so not healthy for you. That's not even funny. These little crunchy granola bars. I don't really like crunchy. Crunchy, I like the sauce. Whoa, I almost dropped my camera. Sorry about that. Crunchy. Crunchy. Oh, I forgot we had those. Yo, man, I'm going to have one for a bed now. I shouldn't eat that cheese. I don't really want it. I just wanted to prove a point that cheese is good. And then tortilla chips. I didn't even have no tortilla sauce to dip it in because I can't open it. Cookies. Next is the seasoning cabinet. We got some Pam, garlic powder, barbecue. We got some how you pronounce that? I can't even pronounce it. Worcestershire sauce. Worcester. I can't even pronounce that, yo. We got some ranch. I know you guys don't want to have me talk about pepper, salt. Yummy. I know you guys don't want me to talk about just boring seasoning, so I'm just going to do an overview.
I'm not worried about that. This whiskers he got here. I'm trying to cut. You won't let me? No. By giving him like the distilled water, like the water bottles. So I've been giving him water out of that lately. Here.
Okay, next part is up here. We go the pasta sauce and vegetable oil and macaroni. What's that? What is that? Is that spaghetti? Yummy. And then more macaroni. Macaroni is just so good. So good. The last cabinet of food. Guess what's in here? Wait, I forgot to show you this extra cereal that was right there. Yeah.
No.
Here's the last drawer. And here are Hope to Foods. I'm also going to bring those little Nemo crackers with my Lunchable. Hard and soft texture, creamer, sugar, lemonade stuff. A whole bunch of boring stuff like, like mashed potatoes, hot chocolate. Yes! Taco cheese! Syrup, popcorn sauce, yummy, grits, red lobster. These are new. Oh, there's taco sauce, red lobster, turtle bay biscuit, yummy.
Guess how old I am.
Ketchup, and this Italian meat flavored with meat sauce. And that is my kitchen. If you want a deep freezer haul, but you guys probably don't want to, because I wouldn't really want to see that, then just put in the description if you do. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye. See me in later's video. Amaya signing off. Who's Amaya? I'm in China. Who's China? I'm in China signing off.